I'm a person who really believes in justice and treating human beings, everyone, as a fellow human being. I'm a team manager for a women's AFL football team. I'm a nurse, so I work as a phlebotomist. I'm an Uber driver partner and love wildlife, so it's the reason I moved here 18 months ago. I was lucky enough to get this property, and I've made the property land for wildlife, so I finally found home now. I just live here on this property. I'm really lucky with my daughter. She is 18-year-old third year apprentice carpenter with aspirations to also play AFL Women's at the AFL level. She's a really good leader for a young person. She's cutting her own way in life instead of following. Count your blessings, glass half full, see what you have got, don't be looking at what you don't have. The grass on the other side might be greener, but it might be fake too.